Next, Latitude water repellency wiper blades. These innovative 2-in-1 wiper blades not only give you the superior wipe quality you've come to expect from Rain-X Latitude blades, but now also treat your windshield with a water-repelling coating for the ultimate in driving visibility. Rain-X Latitude water repellency blades work by transferring a Rain-X water-repelling coating from the wiper squeegee to the windshield during initial use. For optimal water repellency activation, run your wiper blades on a clean, dry windshield for 2 minutes. The water repellency will also activate with normal blade use in wet conditions. It'll just take a little longer. Once activated, the water repelling action will last for months. Improving your driving visibility with Rain-X has never been easier. Just run your blades, then watch water bead up and roll off your windshield, even when the wipers are off or running at lower speeds. The Rain-X water-repelling coating will also help clear your windshield of harsh winter weather driving elements, such as ice, snow, and sleet. This can help reduce wear and tear on the squeegee and lead to longer blade life. Rain-X Latitude water repellency wiper blades provide a clear difference in visibility. And these blades have also been updated to feature a breakthrough universal adapter, making installation easier than ever for 96% of consumer vehicles on the road. Advanced blade design for more even pressure distribution. 2-in-1 wiper blade to both clear and repel the elements. A synthetic blend rubber squeegee for all-weather performance. Easy to install, no packaged adapters required ever. Get more than just a wiper blade and be prepared for whatever comes your way with Rain-X Latitude water repellency wiper blade.